What is happening, everybody? Cashmere Rich back again with some great content. Another great program, man. We're working with Swift Demand, guys. We've just launched Cryptonet Global, and it is centered around Swift Demand coins. If you have Swift Demand and has not been, you haven't been able to, move them and get them going, this is going to help you because we have built our own trading platform for the Swift Demand coin. Let's dive right into this. First of all, I would like to welcome everybody to Cryptonet Global. Our goal is to educate current as well as new cryptocurrency users on how to create wealth using this world's newest phenomenon, which is Bitcoin. Our leadership team has over 10 years experience in the cryptocurrency industry and has laid a straightforward path, guys, a straightforward path to success. By opening your mind to the possibility of using this new form of currency to create wealth, you could be on your way to achieving financial freedom, guys, in no time flat. Cryptonet Wealth. Our goal at Cryptonet Global is to create a new generation of cryptocurrency millionaires. The growth in the cryptocurrency markets has made it possible for the wealth to be obtained via simple steps and procedures. That's what I'm going to be showing you today, guys. With Bitcoin presently now being seen around the world, it's being seen around the world, guys. You can sense the urgency in the air by people who are ready to change their lives by becoming part of this new revolution. Everyone now has the power to control their income as well as their financial destinies by stepping into this new world of finance, which is known as cryptocurrency. Now, you know that everything we do, guys, we do it from our mobile devices, right? So we use our mobile devices to achieve things in cryptocurrency. So that's all we're going to be showing you today is how to download a couple of things on your phone, which is going to help you to trade your Swift Demand. First of all, you need the Swift Demand program. That's super important. The next thing you want to do is get Coinbase Wallet. Everybody know you can get that from your Google Play Store or Apple apps. You want to download Cash App. That's one of our exchanges also where you could buy coin. The blockchain wallet, you want to do that. And of course, the BitPay wallet, so you can take possession of the BitPay Visa debit card, okay? These are a couple of items that you want to download. Coinbase, Cash App, blockchain, BitPay. We want to get those down on your phone because that's what we're going to be using. Now, the coins we're going to be working with, guys, is Bitcoin. The reason we want to work with Bitcoin is because, like previously stated, Bitcoin has the BitPay Visa debit card. So all the coins that you trade over, right, as we're trading here, it will go straight to your Visa debit card, right? It's going to go to your BitPay wallet, you drop it to your Visa card. That's why we're going to be rocking with Bitcoin. The coin we're going to be trading is Swift Demand. This is our alternative coin right here because one of the reasons Swift Demand is so powerful, I'm going to tell you why. Check this out. Swift Demand is an attempt at basic income. Each user who is signed up for this service receives 100 coins when you register. 100 coins every 24 hours or less. We've seen they've been giving them away every 12 hours. So 100 coins, that's your daily bonus. 500 coins per qualified referral. That means that you can make money every time you share these coins with people. You receive 100 on registration, 100 every 24 hours, 500 per referral. That's why we pick Swift Demand. If you give away 10 free Swift Demand accounts, that's $5,000 just in referral bonuses, not to count the daily bonus of 100 a day. That's why we love Swift Demand, guys. This is amazing. Now I'm going to go down here and show you something, right, that's going to really rock your world. Right here, like I told you. Give away those 10 free accounts. Make sure that the people that you're giving these accounts to, you are in daily contact with them, making sure that they give away their 10 accounts. If everybody is giving away 10 accounts, that's $5,000 going into their Swift Demand. They're going to have $5,000 in coin. So when it's time for people to start trading, no one will have a problem with saying, hey, shoot, yeah, I will put up this $130 to take possession of this trading platform, right? Of course, because they got over 5,000, 6,000 in coin. So give away those 10 accounts, guys. Do not hesitate. Give away 10, 20, 30. Give them away and bring these people with you and show them how we're going to turn that free coin into Bitcoin and or cash, okay? Super important, man. Our 10-130 formula. The 10-130 formula is the financial strategy that we use to help each member achieve or to create cryptocurrency financial freedom. This simple yet powerful wealth strategy simply works. By following this simple roadmap can help anyone to gain financial freedom in record-breaking time. We have taken the power of giving and infused a small investment strategy to create pure obtainable wealth. By each member simply giving away 10 free Swift Demand accounts and making a small investment of 130 Bitcoin or cash has the potential to put an immediate $5,000 into their account. And this can be done within a matter of days, guys. Let's look at this. Let's look at our trade levels. First, we have level 1, which is our silver, Swift Demand. Level 2 is gold. Level 3 is platinum. Level 4 is diamond, red diamond, black diamond, double diamond, and prestige diamond, which is our last level. We're working with all Swift Demand coin. The trade amounts are right here. We're going to go through that as we break the system down. Our trade partners, remember, you want to work with 10 people. Give away 10 accounts. That means that's a little bit of work, guys. Just a little work. Grab 10 people, say, hey, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Tell them to give away 10 accounts. Then tell their 10 to give away 10 accounts. We're going to create wealth with this thing. Total trade amounts after the 10 people based upon how much it costs to get on the trading platform. And of course, our upgrades and spillover. Watch this spillover from free coins. This is going to drive you crazy. This is spillover, guys, from free coin. Now watch this. You're going to start off at your silver level. You're going to take possession of the platform by giving your sponsor 100 bucks, right? 100 to take possession of the platform, 25 for the administrative fee, right? And another $5 is going to open up your Bitcoin Training Academy. You're going to get a whole school over here, guys, on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. So that's 130 total. So 100 going to your sponsor, 25 platform setup, $5 for your training academy. You give your sponsor the $100 based upon the 10 people, right, coming in behind you. Remember, you're in. Now you're bringing your 10 in. They paid their 100 to you. That's 1,000. You're going to give each one of them 100 in Swift Demand. Okay, each one of them received 100 in Swift Demand from you. Now the company is giving them $100, right, for coming in. You're going to receive the 500 sign-up bonus. From that 500 sign-up bonus, give each one of them 100 of that from your Swift Demand account. When you do that time to 10 people taking in 100 each, that's a total of $1,000. Super simple, guys. You're going to upgrade into the next level, which is gold trading for Swift Demand for 500. Leaving yourself 500 of spendable cash and or Bitcoin. When your team members duplicate your efforts going into the gold level at 500 each, that's going to give you a total of $5,000 in Bitcoin or USD. From that 5,000, pinch off a small amount of 1,000. Send that up into your platinum level because you're going up in levels of trading, right? You're going to be able to trade on 3 levels now once you go up into that platinum. When your 10 do the same thing, that is $10,000. You're going to upgrade for 5 of the 10, leaving yourself 5. Look at the spillover over here, guys. Let me move this over. Look at that spillover, guys. Leaving yourself 5. You're already up 9,500. Your team member's now going to upgrade for 500 just like you did. Time the 10 people. That is 50 grand, guys. Pinch off 10 of that for 40,000 more in profit. When your 10 follow you up at the, guys, do you see these numbers? When your 10 follow you up for $5,000 each, right? That's 50. You're going to pinch 10 off of that. Go into your red diamond for 10. When those 10 people duplicate that effort, man, that is 100,000 in cash or Bitcoin from free alternative coins. You're going to upgrade for 20 grand. Taking possession of 20 grand, guys. You're going to upgrade for 20 grand. leaving yourself 80. This thing is overwhelming. Leaving yourself 80 grand. Level 6, here come your team members upgrading also for 20 grand for a total of 200,000 in your account. Upgrade for 50 of that, leaving 150. When they upgrade coming into that double diamond level at 50 grand each, that's going to be 500,000 in coin. 100,000 pinched off of that 500,000 in Bitcoin, going up into your last level, which is the prestige diamond. When your team members duplicate that time to 10 people, time that 100,000 just like you, that right there, guys, is $1 million made. When you total up all of your spillover, all of this, less your upgrades, less your investment, right? We're looking at 1.6 mil, guys, from free alternative coin. Now, yeah, it's going to take some work. We're going to be working at this. You figure that by the time that, you look around, you've already achieved financial freedom in this long up here. When you way up here, you're looking good, right? So imagine being able to do this, guys, with free alternative coin. You're getting the coin for free. The only thing you're doing is paying for the platform where you're going to be registered on with your own back office, membership tracking, email notifications. You got all of that on your trading platform. And you got this for free. You came in and received these coins for free, and you upgraded and got your platform. How about that? How about that for free money, guys, with Swift Demand? So many people have Swift Demand and don't have a clue how much money that they're sitting on because they're just getting the coin every day. Some of them have even stopped collecting every 24 hours. Never stop collecting. Never stop giving away those free gifts of coin. Build this team up, guys. All you do is grab your 10 and work with those 10 till they get there and just follow that pattern on up. Now, this was done with 10 people, guys. 10 people. You notice it say same 10? Just work with the 10 you got. Make sure that they're upgrading. Make sure that they're bringing their members, that their members giving away. We want to flood the world with Swift Demand coin. And in turn, you will be rewarded with Bitcoin and or if you're taking USD, that's cool. For me, I'm a Bitcoin. I'm a crypto addict. So I don't want no cash. I want all Bitcoin. Look at that, guys. Just from 10 members, man. Look at that, 1.6. You can do this. Let's make it happen, guys. This your man Cashmere Rich over at Cryptonet Global. What I've just showed you is something that's phenomenal, that's going to change your life, that can help you to change others' lives with free coin. If you have Swift Demand already, get with me or the person that introduced you to this so you can get on the trading platform. If you do not have Swift Demand, get with me so that I could hook you up, get you that Swift Demand account open. It takes about 1 minute to set up. You get your instant coin and you start receiving your referral bonuses as well as daily bonuses immediately. Get over here with me. Let me show you how to flip free coin into wealth. This is your man Cashmere Rich coming to you live and direct from the Cryptonet Global Studios. I look forward to working with you guys and have a great day. Take care.